The next lesson is dedicated to explain how to work with scripts, and then we explain that you can save a lot of time if we use scripts to run the OpenBug software. A script is only a computer program that avoids using the mouse or the keyboard or to click buttons, open windows and type characters, a process that takes very long. With the scripts, the computer will do all this operation automatically and very fast. In the previous part of this course, we have used the mouse, buttons, and the keyboard to open the OpenBug software and Windows to type commands or using the Doodle tool in order to get the parameter posteriors of the plots or to analyze the output of the program. All this operation can be done by using commands which are called scripts, and this is explained in this lesson. For example, here you have the commands that correspond to different operations. For example, to open the log window, we use the model display command. To load the data, instead of clicking to the button, we use the model data command. To compile, instead of using the button, we use the model compile, and the same with the button load initial or the button get initial or the set button or the update button. You have a command for each of these operations, and you can do it very, very fast. The same occurs with the other commands. For example, sample stats, and if we give the node name, provides the statistic of the indicated node. If all are desired, we use the asterisk. So writing sample stats and an asterisk there, you get the statistic for all the possible variables. The samples coda commands allows you to obtain the samples for each variable of parameter. The sample quantiles commands given the node name provides the quantiles of the indicated node or nodes. It's equivalent to press the quantiles button. The sample density provides you the graph of all the densities. Sample history given a node provides the history associated with the indicated node, that is the values that have result after the simulation. The sample trace does the same with the selected node. We can save the state at a given moment using the model save state. We can get info for each of the nodes with the info node values command. We can use the summary statistics that provides the summary of all the statistics obtained in the simulation. We have obtained information about the memory with the info memory command. The model externalize allows you to store the model for being used afterwards, and the model internalize permits you to recover a previously stored model. And the model save log stores the results of the full session with graphics included. It is important to see that this is the only way of recovering graphic information. So please don't forget to use this model save log if you want to use the plots later. Finally, the model quit, yes or no, permits closing the window. And this is the end of this lesson dedicated to scripts. As you can see, working with a script is much more efficient than using the mouse, buttons, and the keyboard. The cut and paste method allows you to use a previous script and with very few changes obtain the script for another problem, what is extremely convenient and useful. If you want to gain in speed and efficiency using a script, you should use a script frequently.